There are so many incredible classical pieces that you should learn to develop your skills as a pianist, but you may be confused about which pieces to start with. Today, my goal is to get you excited about learning some really fun intermediate level Baroque pieces. The pieces that I've selected are famous and top favorites of my students, so I know you'll like them. And if you're not sure what level you are, that's okay. This video is still important because these are pieces that every pianist should learn at some point. So why is it important to learn Baroque keyboard music? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but one of the primary reasons is that your technique will improve from practicing fast passages and also ornaments like trills and turns. The other reason is that you'll develop better hand coordination because you'll be challenged to bring out the melody in one hand over the other hand because of the contrapuntal textures in Baroque music. Okay, this first piece is called Little Prelude in C Major by Bach. Great piece, and you'll be working on some ornaments. There's some mordents in the left hand here. And then there's also a trill at the end. Next up is Bach's Prelude in B flat major from the Well-Tempered Clavier Book 1. This piece is a lot easier than it sounds, so this is a good one to impress your friends with. You're going to be working on some fast 30-second notes in the right hand. So a good wrist rotation loose is helpful in this. And then the middle section is a fantasia style that's alternating big chords with fast presto scales. Okay, let's talk about some Handel pieces. Called Impertinence, and this is a great piece to work on different articulations. So I'm going to play my quarter notes more detached and the eighth notes legato. This also has some nice trills in it. This next piece by Handel is called Saraband, and I wanted to include at least one slow piece today. This has a lot of two-note slurs in it, so this is a great opportunity to work on that wrist motion, the down, up. And it's so important to be able to play beautifully without the pedal. And Baroque music, we don't usually play with pedal, or we use very little. Scarlatti is next. This is called Minuet in G minor, and you should like it the very first time you hear it. This is a great piece to work on experimenting with different articulations. So you could choose to play some of the eighth notes detached and some of them legato like this. Or you could play all of the eighth notes detached. also a good piece to experiment with dynamics. This next piece by Scarlatti is called Sonata in E Major, L23. This is a very famous sonata, and it's a great piece because it incorporates pretty much everything that we've been talking about today. You're going to see some trills in this. And it has a lot of different articulations in it and moods. And you'll have plenty of opportunities to work on playing expressively. Let me know in the comments which pieces were your favorite today. I plan to share more must-learn pieces from the classical, romantic, and contemporary periods soon, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay in touch with our free piano lessons on this channel. I'll see you in the next video.